vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.
Hey, what's up guys? This is the Ninja blender. This is actually the professional model, which comes with both the blender and the single serve cups. It actually comes with 2 cups. That just allows you to choose if you want to blend a lot or just blend a little bit. So that's a nice choice, just to have both of those. So depending on what you're going to be blending, in this case I wanted to try out some ice because it says it can turn ice into snow. So I went ahead, we'll put some ice in there and we'll just see how it blends. So as you can see, it holds up to its word, turn the ice right into snow. Now I can go ahead and just dump this ice out and we'll get started on something else. Okay, so we're back, and this time I'm gonna do some frozen fruits just that I picked up from the grocery store, along with some strawberries, bananas, some ice and some water, and we're just gonna go ahead and put this in here, and I'll let you just check out how it sounds, how it blends, and things like that. Do a single serving. All you need to do is get the cup attachment that would go onto the base of the blender, screw that to the cup after you put your food in there, and flip it upside down, hit the single serve button, and just that's basically it. Once it's done blending it up, take it off, put the lid back on, and then you're good to go. Something else that I really like about the Ninja is that everything can go in the dishwasher. Well, except for the base itself, but everything is dishwasher safe, everything is BPA free, and if you don't have a dishwasher, don't worry, because this thing is still super easy to clean. So that's the Nutri Ninja. Thanks for watching.
Total crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.